Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are well at your home. Welcome to class 6 for the session 2020 and 2021. We are going to study the subject mathematics. The syllabus for the given time is there are two chapters that we are going to study online. Chapter first is knowing our numbers and the chapter second is whole numbers. Now, before moving ahead, I just want to tell you, kindly keep a pen and a notebook with you. Let's have fun with maths. I hope you all will have this smiling face after learning maths. So let us understand our numbers. So this is our first chapter, knowing our numbers. So before moving ahead, I just want to ask you, what are numbers? Now, let me define you in short. The numbers are mathematical tools used for counting, measuring and labeling. Suppose I have one duster in my hand. I have two markers in my hand. So these are the basic things about the numbers. So now, numbers. Numbers. A number is a mathematical tool used for counting, measuring and labeling. Now, what does it mean when I say counting? Let us count these dots. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dots. Let us count these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 balls. What does it mean when I call measuring? So measuring means to measure, किसी चीज को नापना. So suppose this line segment has the length 4 centimeter and this line segment has the length 5 centimeter. So this is how we use the number in measuring the things. Now let us understand the labeling. The most commonly used in our life, like in March the result has declared and Ram got the first position, Pinky got the second position and Muskan got the third position. So they are labeled as number 1, number 2 and number 3. Now, before understanding the number, we need to understand the digits. So what are the digits? So any number from 0 to 9 is known as digit. कोई भी नंबर, that is if you are taking any number from 0 to 9, that will be known as digit. उसको हम digit कहेंगे, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are total 10 digit. And sometimes this question is asked in your class that how many digits are there in counting. So people say, or the students say, infinite. There are many digits, there are countless digits, but let me tell you first that there are only 10 digits in mathematics. The digits are only 10, but the numbers are there. All the numbers are made using digits. So let me explain. Suppose 7. Now 7 is a number as well as a digit. But if you are writing 72, this is a number. This is a number with how many digits? 1, 2. So this is a 2-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. Now the SR number of a student is 2789. So how many digits are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits? 4 digits. So this is a 4-digit number. Now let us understand about comparing numbers. Comparing numbers means to get to know that which number is greater or which number is lower, or we can say that we can find the greatest and the lowest number from a given set of numbers. So here are four sets: set A, set B, set C and set D, from which we have to find out the greatest and the lowest number. So first of all, let me tell you, the greater number will have the maximum number of digit and the lowest number will have the minimum number of digit. So on the basis of digits only, you can easily guess that which number is greater and which number is lower. So you can see there is only one digit, so 7 is the lowest number. Here are two digits, so 10 is the second lowest number. Here are three digits, so 270 is the third lowest or the second largest number. And the number 8127 will be the greatest number. Let us have the set number V and find out where all the digits, all the numbers having the same numbers of digit. Now this is having 4 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another number is having 4 digit, this also having 4 digit, and the last one is also having the 4 digit. Now how to find the greater and the smaller number when the number of digits are equal? So for that we have to see, or we have to look at the first digit of a number. So let me encircle it with the blue. Now you can see this is having the first digit 1, this is having the first digit 4, this is having the first digit 3, and this is having the first digit 2. So which digit is the smallest? Obviously this. So the smallest digit will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second smallest digit will be 2, 3, 4, 1. And the third smallest digit will be 3, 4, 2, 1. And the largest digit will be 4, 1, 2, 3. Now, that is very interesting. Now look at the set number 3, where all the numbers having same number of digit as well as the first digit is same. Oh, now how to compare the numbers? This is very tricky. When it is found that the first digit, when all the numbers are having same digit and the first digit is same in each case, then we have to look at the second digit. So let us encircle the second digit because first digit is same. So 7, 2, 1 and 4. Now check which digit is smaller. So 1, this is 3, 1, 7, 2. Second 3, 2, 1, 7. Next 3, 4, 7, 1. And the last one is 3, 7, 2, 1. The smallest number is 3172 and the greatest number is 3721. Now let us have a small exercise on set D. Can you solve it by your way? Just pause your screen, pause your video and try to solve it. Okay, let me tell you. Now here all the numbers are having the first digit different. So we can easily find out with the first digit only. So let me encircle the digit first of 1, 8, 2 and 7. So which is the smaller digit? 1. So first or the smallest number will be 1489. Second smallest? Yes, you are right. 2778. and which will be the third smallest or the second greatest? Yes, you are right, 7281. And the greatest number will be, absolutely, it is 8914. So in each of the set you are looking at these number. This is the first smallest. Let us understand about ascending and descending orders. We have already studied about comparing numbers, where 7 was the first smallest number, 10 was the second smallest number, 270 was the third smallest and the second greatest number, and this was the greatest number. So writing a number in a manner, so writing a number in a manner where you are writing the smallest number at the first point, second smallest at the second place, third smallest just after that, and the greatest at the last. This sequence is known as ascending order. You can see this sequence is already the ascending order. Now check. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the smallest number in this, and this is the greatest number here. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 is smaller than 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1 is smaller than 3, 4, 2, 1, and this is the greatest number. So this is also the ascending order. Now you can see all the numbers are written in ascending order, where the first number is the smallest number, second number is second smallest, third number is second greatest, and the last one is the greatest number. So this is also the ascending order. Now this one is also ascending order. Then what is descending order? Yes, you have guessed right. Descending order is just opposite of ascending order. So if you are writing the greatest at the first and the lowest at the last, that number or that series of number will be the ascending order or ascending series. Now let us take this is the largest number. We are writing here first. This is the second largest. We are writing at the second place. Then 10 and then 7. So this order is known as descending order. Which order? Descending order. Now, so can you write this series in the descending order? Pause the video and just write down. Okay. So this is your descending 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we can change an ascending order into descending order also. Just you can change any ascending order in descending order by just turning it from first to last. Now like that we can also write the descending order for this. This is also the descending order. We have to mention it, and it is the descending order. Now for this 3, 7, 2, 1, now 3, 4, 7, 1, now 3, 2, 1, 7, and 3, 1, 7, 2 is your descending order. Now I am leaving this for you. You have to do it by yourself. As we have now understood about the ascending and and descending order, let us now note down the definition of ascending and the descending order. So numbers are said to be in ascending order when they are arranged from the smallest to the largest number. For example, 5 is your smallest number and 29 is your largest number. So this order will be known as ascending order. In the same manner, this order is also the ascending order. The descending order. Numbers are said to be in descending order when they are arranged from the greatest to smallest number. Means you have to take the greatest number first and the smallest number at the last. So 29 is the greatest number, 21 is the second greatest, and 17 is the third greatest, 13 is the third smallest, 9 is the second smallest, and 5 is the smallest number. So this is your descending order. If you can see that I have changed this ascending order into the descending order by just taking the numbers in the